At 19, I got married. It was a dream come true because I was a very average student, not ambitious, not a career woman. Just wanted to settle in life. My man would take care of everything. Very happy when my parents said, "We are getting you married." And I got married. Best day of my life, I got married to a very handsome army officer. Next 4 years of life in my married life were like a dream come true. I would have never thought of anything that would have given me any other thing in life. I was blessed with a 2-year-old son. One morning, when I was told that we'll take you to Lucknow, what is there? We are going to meet your husband. I never thought they are going to make me stand in front of a coffin. He was no more. They never told me that 2 days back he has died. Then a question came on my survival. How will she live? What will she do? Such a small child. And these thoughts made me feel I should finish myself. Hi, I'm Captain Shalini Singh, an ex-army officer, wife of a proud martyr, and a skilled trainer. I've seen my existence only with a man, my father, my brother, and now my husband. He has gone, and my son is very small to take care of me. And I decided to quit. Quit what? Quit life. Quit with whom? With my son. And yes, I tried to do that. But then, that thought came. Quitting is so difficult. It's not easy to die. It's very easy to live. Let me walk that path. And I decided to don the uniform. And in less than 2 months of my husband's demise, I was sitting in front of the examination hall of army, which is the most difficult examination of our country. Every morning I used to get up and just focus that you have to clear this exam, you have no choice, you have to do this training, you have to every day prove that yes, you are worthy of this uniform. And yes, 6 months, after 6 months, I got commissioned as an officer. I became an army officer. Was this the proudest moment? No, this was not the proudest moment. The proudest moment came when I walked to the podium at Rashtrapati Bhavan to receive my husband's gallantry award in my uniform. Sense of pride, sense of sorrow, both walked together. Yes, I was transformed. But life became easy after that? It did not. Life kept on throwing challenges, but Shalini was ready now. It was not survival of the fittest. I was not fittest of the person to survive. I was making myself every day fit to survive. After serving in the army, I moved on to the corporate world. Worked there. As luck would have it, I met with a very bad road accident. It took me 1 year to get up on my feet again. Completely bedridden. While I am dealing with this challenge, how to get back on my feet from the bed to wheelchair to not independently walking without support, I am told my dad is having a cancer. I will lose him in next few months, and I lost him. Biggest shock again, because after my husband, he supported me to stand up again, do things. And then he also gave me a lot of strength that okay, now 2 persons have gone, they are now in me. One is my one hand and the other is my other hand. And I started running. I couldn't run 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, and today I run marathons. I also got remarried to settle my life, to do things as a normal human being. I really wanted to have a family. My son was not having a father. And when I got married, I was not aware that I am again going into a darkness. I became a victim of domestic violence. I suffered 32 stitches on my head. that pushed me into trauma, depression. Did I give up? No. I'll fight it back. I'll come out again and I'll stand stronger. And I came out of it, fought the depression, fought the trauma, led my life in a very strong way. And every day I was just thinking I have to live for today, not for tomorrow. And I will not see what others are saying, what is happening around me. It is from morning till evening I have to live my life the way I want. The way I want, I feel it is positive. And with all these positivity, I participated in a pageant. And you know what? I never thought I'd win that pageant. Journey has not stopped. And every day I have a battle to fight. Every day I have a survival issue. But am I not able to survive? I'm surviving every day and not trying to prove anything to anybody, just to myself. But this is one life. Quitting was very difficult. Living is so easy. Just live it. I find my light every morning. Live your life. Focus on your energies, your inner self, your strength, and it will give you plethora of options. Universe is there to support you in the way you want.